What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are making the viral Cajun egg boil. Let's get into it. We're going to need some cumin, some garlic powder, some onion powder, lemon pepper seasoning, some Old Bay, red chili flakes, some paprika, and some Italian seasoning. Can't forget the brown sugar and your good old Creole seasoning. We're just going to get our eggs into that boiling water. I only did 6, and of course when you cut them in half we got 12, so it was a good amount for multiple servings. Let's slice our onion. I did about a half of an onion and just sliced it down. I got about 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm just getting that minced. Now I'm getting those eggs out of the water after they've been in there for about 10 minutes, and they're going to go into a nice ice bath so they stop cooking. In goes a stick of butter in our saucepan along with our onions, and we are gonna mix those and we're gonna cook them down until they're translucent. In goes that garlic, another good swirl. If y'all can smell it through the video, I'm telling you, so good. Just getting it all cooked down, letting it have a nice simmer. In goes our lemon juice. And I would say about a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. And all our seasonings that I mentioned before, about a tablespoon of each one. And that's all going into our saucepan. And we are going to give it a good mix. Making sure all those seasonings are coming together. We don't want no clumps in there. We're just going to keep mixing it. In goes some chicken broth, about a cup. Some more mixing. And then we done, honey. It's time to put the eggs and the potatoes and the sauce all in the bowl. And let me tell you, ooh, it was so good. Can't forget to sprinkle some parsley on top of there. And there you have it, y'all. This thing was so delicious. I would not advise you eating it every day because we don't need no clogged arteries over here. But occasionally, this will hit the spot. Flavorful, easy, delicious. The potatoes just added that extra. So good. If you haven't already, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. I love to talk to y'all. Share this video with somebody, and I appreciate y'all. And until the next time, bye.